be here with you guys. And I hear you guys have got a packed day and lots of fun stuff going on. So I'm excited to be here and talk with, obviously, Connor. That's always a fun thing to do, and with Rachel, but especially with you guys. You guys are the highlight of this day, and I'm excited to be here. An Avalanche player scores 15 hat tricks in his career. How many goals did he score?
45.
Bingo! Nice job. So give me an example.
So 0 degrees Celsius times 9/5 is 0, plus 32 is 32 degrees Fahrenheit.
So how about that? All right.
So another true or false, the diamond texture on the side of a puck affects the aerodynamics of puck travel and flight. Yes.
It was good. Get a chance here to come and speak to some of these kids, and we did a little Q&A, and really intelligent kids, you could tell, and curious and ready to learn. Them seems like an awesome program funded by the NHL and the NHLPA that science, technology, engineering, and math, which none of them are my strong suit, but nonetheless a lot of fun, and it seems like they got a packed day here with lots of learning to do. I feel like technology is kind of woven into all of our lives, and whether you're at home or here or at work, but do some math. You come back into the defensive zone, you got to count, check your shoulders, see who's where. But yeah, in school, like I said, it wasn't my strong suits, any of those subjects, but nonetheless, it was awesome. And I think today I just found out a little bit what they're gonna do, and go down, measure the temperature of the ice, look at some of the technology that we have throughout the building, and learn kind of all facets of this place. So yeah, really cool. Yeah, it means a lot, and this is something I've always enjoyed, and especially when it comes to kids and kind of that next generation, and they're so excited to see you, but also they're just willing to ask any kind of questions, and they're always curious. So it's a lot of fun, and great group of kids here today.